Hello everyone. I think you guys can see me. Anyways, uh, can you just comment if you guys can hear me right or not? Okay. Okay. So we will start in I think 3 minutes. So people are still coming. So here we go. Just in 2 minutes we'll go live. So guys, if you have any question about Fluent Support, feel free to comment in the there, and I'll make sure I will answer all of those your questions. Okay, so let's see. I think we can go live right now. So yeah, give me a moment. Hello everyone, uh, Joel here from WPManageNinja. In this session, I am going to show you how you can set up Fluent Support, and also if you have any question, I will answer them all. So feel free to comment in this video, and after the first session, where I will show you how to set up Fluent Support, how it works, and then I will answer all of your questions. So yeah, let's get started. So first, so this is how Fluent Support menu work. So basically, you have customers, users, or leads, and they send you queries in different ways. So one of the common thing is they can submit a contact form in your site, or they can give you send you email to your support business email, or they can log into your site or and submit a form and also see all the previous tickets, those type of things. So we'll cover all of this three scenario for your customers. And from the agent side, so all the queries will be stored in the Fluent Support, and then your agents can reply from the WP admin, from the admin dashboard, or you can actually send the responses queries to the Telegram or Slack, and also your agents can reply from Telegram or Slack too. So, so here I have a locally installed Fluent Support here, and it's a very fresh. I have only Fluent Support set up. So let's try to set up. So after you set up, install Fluent Support and Fluent Support Pro, then you can see a setup screen here. So just give a business name, say Fluent Support Demo, and give a business email address where all the notifications will go in this here. Okay, so let's try to support.wmanager.com, and here where your logged in customers actually can manage their tickets or submit a ticket. So if you don't have any page already, so you can just click on the create page automatically with the shortcode. So it will actually create a page and add the shortcode. So If you click on the complete setup, that's it. Your actually support system is up and running. So let me show you how that works. So here you have a new page here, support portal, and this page mainly contains the short code that your customers will see. Okay, so that is the support portal. You can actually add some more text if you want. Okay, but I will just add a short code and give that, and I will remove the classic one. So yeah, so in this video, I will show how you can connect with your contact form, then your email piping, and then the customer portal. Okay, so I think the most questions I got in last previous in a few days, that is how I can connect with the email inbox. So let's do that with the first with the email inbox. Okay, so I'm switching to another installation where I have some data as well as some plugin installed, so I can show you the demo. So first thing, you have to go to the business inboxes. So these are the business inboxes that you can create. You can create multiple. So I have by default will I have this web based inbox. So all the web queries actually will be here. So let's create a email inbox. So I can call it like say, so let's call it as Fluent Support email demo. So you can give your business name here. Okay, and so this is the email where we will connect with this support system. So I'll just add a demo Gmail address, but here I think you have to give your domain email like support@yourbusiness.com, something like that, and then click on the email based mailbox. Okay, and then add business inbox. So once you do that, it will give you this message. So basically, in this step, we have to connect our email with this system. So I agree and get email piping details. So Fluent Support actually, generate a random email address. So this is a forwarder, and you have to actually forward all of your emails to this address. So let's do that. So this is the inbox here. I will just click on the support here. So this forwarding works differently in different email provider. So for if you use Gmail or similar, then you will find here. So forwarding and email. We have a documentation in our website to show where you can how you can do that for different email providers. So I'll click add a forwarding address, then I will give this email address. Next. So once you do that, then click the proceed. Then Google actually will send a verification code to this address to verify. So this is your email address actually for the support inbox. So it should create a ticket. So let's see if that ticket is created. So here is the email. So I can just copy this email, open this ticket, and I see that is the confirmation code. So I can copy the confirmation code, add here, and then click verify. So on that, so all your email address here in this inbox, it will go to this address. Okay, and we can click on the save. And if we go to the now business inboxes and click here, then in the email piping, we can see that it will be something like that. It will show that it's active. So our email email inbox is fine now. So the thing is actually that whenever someone actually send an email to this address, it will create a ticket, and you can actually communicate with them. So let's try that. So let's try with my personal email address. Okay. uh, give me a moment. Gmail.com. So I will send an email here from this address. So I want to send an email to this. So as in, say I'm a customer, okay, and let's say give an email address. Hello WPManageNinja. Say Fluent CRM query. How I can get Fluent CRM works with, okay, WooCommerce. Okay, that's, and once the email is sent, it should go to the tickets. So it may take like 30 or 30 or 40 seconds to get the email here in this in your portal. Okay, so let's check. So here it is. We got a ticket here, and you also get the email notification or Telegram or Slack if you connect. So I see that this customer actually give us a ticket here. So you can instantly, your agent can instantly reply from here that, hey, we have a, great integration with WooCommerce. Here is the doc. So let's try to the doc. Docs. Okay. Maybe I should give the full doc, but that's fine for this demo. Thanks. And I can add a reply. So once I add the reply, this customer actually should get a reply instantly. So you see here, uh, here is the integration or great, thank you. And I can actually, reply from here. So this is my, customer board like that. Thank you so much. You can close the ticket. Close the ticket. So this is how it is. So your customer actually can interact with you via just email, as your agents can actually use the Fluent support to reply all the tickets and everything. So now if I go to this ticket again, then this you see. So the same reply we got from here. Thank you so much. You can close the ticket, and it's recorded here. Thank you so much. You can close the ticket, and I can now close the ticket or add and reply, whatever, like that. So that's how the email typing work. Uh, so that is one part. So uh, let's now try with the contact form. So our goal is actually to set up a contact form in our site, so any people can actually submit the ticket and then get the response from our agent. Okay, so let's do the contact form part. So this is our site, and we have Fluent Forms installed. So even if you don't need Fluent Support, Fluent Forms Pro, the free version will work just fine. So I already have a form here, contact us support form, uh, and here we have these fields like the first name, last name, email address, what products they want to uh, on support, subject, and query description. And then if you go to the settings and integrations, then marketing and CRM integrations, then you can actually create a new integration with that Fluent Support integration. But I already have one to save some time here. So then you can actually select which business mailbox it will go. So say I want this workflow, like if someone actually submit a ticket in this contact form, then it I want them to communicate with the email only. Okay, so I will select the Fluent Support email demo, but you can also select your web-based inbox. That's fine too. So let's try first with the Fluent Support demo, web-based demo. And this is the map, the if which product it will be mapped with this inbox. And then ticket title, so that is from our subject line. This is the content. If you have any attachment field, you can definitely add that as attachment field. And then if you have any custom fields for ticket, you can also map that. And then the customer data here. So yeah, that's it. I can just update the portal and here. So let's go to our website and try something as say I am just a incognito window. I am logged out user, and here I am in the site, and here I have a contact us page. So say your user go to the contact us page, and they filled up this form. Say I can give the Shahjahan Jewel and email cp.jewel@gmail.com, and I want something like Ninja tables. Do you have subject have any offer for Ninja tables? Can you give me the Ninja tables Black Friday deal? And contact with us. So once I add that, once the customer gives this, contact us form, so this ticket should go to your contact us page in your tickets. So I think this is our tickets. So here we will get a ticket here. So here you see that this is the ticket, and I can see that this is a ticket, can you do Black Friday offer, and it's about Ninja tables, and it's the business inboxes support demo. And this customer also gave us another ticket, that is the hello from WPManageNinja Fluent query. So I can just reply here. Uh, Hey there, you can get all the Black Friday offers at okay. So our Black Friday offer is actually here, wpmanager.com, and I think it's a discount deal. Yeah, offer here, and I can thanks. So this email should go to that person. So let's see what email the user got. Uh, so here is the Ninja table offer, and here as this is not an email inbox, so they will get something an email here like a view ticket and a long URL. So if the user is not logged in or anything, it will still work. So let's go to our incognito window, and I am not logged in. Okay, so if I go to the my account, and I'm not logged in yet. But if I visit this URL here, then I can actually see the ticket. Even I am not logged in because this URL is signed and secure. So this user can actually see the his tickets and responses and reply right from the web. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. I got it. I got it. Then I can just click on the reply. So this is the customer is replying, and in the opposite side, they will get that response. The support agents will get that response right from here. So if I reload this, thank you so much, I got it. Okay, so that's how it works for your contact forms. But the interesting thing is actually you can make this with your email piping, email inbox. So even they don't have to go to your site to communicate with them. Okay, so if I just make that and say I will add another contact us page, so say another customer actually add this here. Okay, so this time I will do something like jewel@lab.io. That's my another email address. And this time I will say like say other. I have a the purchase question. Uh, when you will launch your next product, okay? And if I see the contact with us, then it will go. So this is the, so you see, this is going to, this will be in our, uh, in our email piping. So let's see. So I have a pre-purchase question, and I got this information, and this is my customer, and I can now actually respond here. Hey, we don't know exactly. We'll let you know more on the info available. Okay, then I can reply that. So as this was our email based communication, so this customer actually get the response right into there. So if I go there, uh, and if so it may take some time. So here I have a pre-purchase question, and this customer actually get the full response here, and they can actually reply back from here. Okay, fine. Okay, so this response will be synced with your support portal. So that was our another thing, that is your contact form, and how contact form and email inbox or web box work. So let's see for our regular use cases. For you have customers, you have say you have for your customers, for your store, for your LMS or membership, and now you want them a portal to manage their own tickets and submit those things. Okay, so remember we have had a page here that the support portal. So let's see. So I think that's the support portal, and if I copy this URL and open in the incognito window, and it asks me to log in. So here you have to, your customer need to be logged in to your site. So I have already a customer and the password, and if I click on the login, now I am logged in. If I go to the customer portal here, then I can see all the tickets here that I added. So let's add a new ticket. Okay, so this is a test ticket, and doing, and say I will say something like say the Fluent CRM, priority normal, and these are related product. It's actually coming from, you can set up these things coming from your WooCommerce. So say hoodie with pocket, and if you have any membership level, you can also set up here. So once I create the ticket, it will be something like so. So it is a related product like this, and if I go to the customer portal now, in our agent portal, then I will see a ticket here. So how are you doing? We have some filter here, so you can filter all of your tickets here, and even you can click the waiting for. I want to see all the tickets that are waiting for reply from the customer. So this is the ticket that we got, and then I can just add that. Okay, yeah, we are doing fine. Okay, and you can give the response. The interesting fact is here, when you actually see a customer or a user, if that customer's email address match with any of your WordPress data points, like you can see the Fluent CRM data here, all the tags. Even you can actually add or remove tag right from here. Then yeah. Then you can see all is WooCommerce purchase or EDD purchases. If you have a membership site like wishlist member or member page, whatever you are using, we are integrated with that. You can see their level, status, all the previous conversations. You can do that. You can see that. So when we actually interact with a ticket, you can actually see all their details of all of your customer details right into this dashboard. So that is also very nice feature of Fluent Support. You can also add a note, add the address information, whatever you want. You can actually collect those data and do that. So the idea is actually when your agent actually gives a support, they can see everything of the customer, so they can know which customer they are dealing with. So I can just reply here, and so this customer will get an email about this, and if they reload this page, then they will get instantly about this Fluent Support, uh, about this ticket information. So they can even close a ticket, say I want to close this ticket, so I can just close the ticket, and the ticket will be created. So that's how these things work. Say all of your query, you can store them in a single place, and then you can manage all the queries, see the data of your customer and everything. So that's how mainly Fluent Support work. We have a very customer management system to write into here. Like you can for the agents, to managing multiple agents, you can see your agents performance. You can see which agent is working more, like that. We have a, and also you can see all of your customers here. You can search them, and then even if it's a spammer, you can even delete or block them. Then we have another nice feature, that is save replied. So you can create save replies by product or uncategorized. Then you can actually quickly add that pre-written response to your ticket. Here is the activities. So whatever happening in your total support replay support, you can see all the activities from here. So like close the ticket, friends about the response, everything, it will show. So if you are admin, you want to know how your what's going on your support portal, you can just go to the activity and see what's going on. Then business inbox, I've shown you. So you can add as many business inbox as you want, like that. Then we have the workflow. So workflow is something very big that we have added. So basically what you can do, you can do lots of automated things, like when someone actually submit a ticket, then you want to do certain task. So that's actually very huge. I am not going to show right now. Then we have global settings. In the global settings, you can actually manage everything. If you want to make create accept files or not, what how megabyte, how what will be the size of the files. Then you can add ticket tags, so you can tagging tickets, do that. Then you can do apply bulk actions. Then in the form config, you can actually change everything of the front end portal, and you can also assign your knowledge base, those type of things. Then if you want to add collect more information when someone has to submit a ticket, you can also do that. Then you can add product and services. We have already integration with the WooCommerce EDD, so you can actually let your users select which product or which order they are referring for a support tickets. Then you can manage your support staff. So in the support staff, you can actually give what type of permission they will get. Like they say they don't want, you don't want to give them the sensitive data information like the customer data or the settings data. You can also do that from here. Then we have the Fluent CRM integration. This is also important. So if you enable a Fluent CRM integration, then whenever someone actually submit a ticket to your portal, they will be actually added to uh, Fluent CRM. Fluent CRM 2, you can add the tags, whatever you want. Then we have notification integration. So currently we have Telegram, Slack, Discord. So the idea is actually when someone actually submit a ticket, uh, these notifications will go to directly to Slack or Telegram, and your agents can actually replay right from Slack or Telegram. So that is also a very huge, uh, I think, very huge feature. So if you are on the road, very busy, then you can just replay from your Telegram or Slack mobile app. So yeah, so that's what actually Fluent Support is. We are really excited about this product, and this product is actually we sold many copies already in less than 1 week. And currently we have an LTD license discount deal from the early adopters. So yeah, go check this out if you did not purchase it yet. So you can definitely check it out. We have all the features in the homepage also here. So yeah, you can take a look. I think we will end this campaign. I think within a week or so, like that. So yeah, go and check out those features and grab your license if you purchase it yet. Next session, I will actually try to answer your questions right here. So yeah, let's see the questions right now. Hey guys. So let's see the questions now and see if we have anything. Oh, I see lots of people. Hi, Robin. Hi, Scott. Hi, Alberto. Lots of familiar faces. Hi, John. Hi, Carl. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, let's try to answer as many questions as I can. Uh, yeah, let me turn on my video. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. So the first question, I think that was from Robin. Yeah, can you please talk about user roles, redirection, login, wrong password? Yeah, we will have a lots of improvement on user authentication. So basically, we thought people will use other plugins for front end login sign up, but I see that lots of people are asking about this feature. So yeah, definitely we will improve that. In the last version, you see that we have added feature where you can actually select which user roles people can actually uh, you know uh, communicate with your support portal, who can access to support portal. So yeah, that's done. So if you have a membership site and you want a specific user role can only communicate with you can do that. But definitely we will improve the authentic user login sign up. One feature that I see already in our dev board, that is adding reCAPTCHA, and definitely we will improve that feature. uh, okay. And Carl actually requested, asked a question about that email purging. So the email purging is something that actually we are doing with help of Amazon Lambda. So if you go to our terms and condition or privacy policy page, then you can see that how we actually manage your email mimes. So basically, how we manage right now, that your data does not actually touch our server, so it goes to, let me show you the uh, email purging terms and condition. Where that is, yeah, more details here. So basically, when you forward an email with your provider, then it goes to Amazon Lambda, and where it finds where to push the data. So that's your site, and it sends the webhook to your site. But I can announce now, actually, and I also told previously that the script we are using with the Amazon Lambda, we will open source it. So if anyone want to use their own Amazon Lambda, they can just install the script in Amazon Lambda or other server, and then use their own Lambda function. So yeah, I hope that will be easy if someone actually is very concerned about their data, that they don't want to go through the Amazon Lambda with who is managed by us. They can do that. So yeah, that's I think that was helpful. I think end of this month, I don't sure, but definitely within the next month we will open source the whole script that we are using. Okay. Uh, yeah, Slack. We also use Slack and Telegram. So that is also very, super helpful feature that we have. Uh, that is definitely a good thing. Uh, Candidate a settings page would be perfect. Y- Yeah, Robin, we'll definitely do that for the more give more control over the customer portal. Uh, Okay, so with the Elementor, so currently, the only front end, I have a question about the Elementor or styling. The only, front end thing of the support system has actually, you see that the customer portal. So what we are thinking actually, we will give an option to change the, layout styling a bit, like, maybe give an option to change the colors to button styles, and in your current version you can actually change all the levels that you want. If something is missing, we'll definitely add that in our documentation, how you can change that with PHP. If not, then we'll definitely do that with our front end thing. Okay. uh, okay, so interesting question actually, that is uh, how would you compare Fluent Support with Awesome Support for WordPress, please? So yeah, so I am a very powerful user of Awesome Support. If you are a customer of WPManageNinja, you saw that till last year, we actually were using Awesome Support to give our customer support thing. So basically, Awesome Support is a very good plugin. The problem with Awesome Support is actually that they store all the data with custom post type, post meta, and when we try to analyze the data, it's nearly impossible because those data are not structured. The second thing is actually the app is old styled in WordPress. Uh, it take lots of like 3 or 4 5 seconds to load a single ticket page. In Fluent Support, it takes like millisecond, less than a second to load a ticket or go to in transition page. So Awesome Support is actually built using PHP and HTML, those type of thing, old technology. Fluent Support built on Vue.js, REST API, so it's kind of a single page application. So you will get lots of reports. It will be load very fast. It has native integration with all other plugins that Awesome Support does not have. Also, we have email piping as well as with the you can connect with your Slack or Telegram. So that is the, I think I will say that main features that Fluent Support will not slow down your site because it does not store the data in default WordPress tables. It all the data is actually stored in custom tables. So that is another advantage thing that another difference, big difference with the Awesome Support. Okay, so I think I got another question from Crosswind Learning. Sorry, I did not get your name here. Anyway, if I am using Fluent Support on two different sites, can I have agent using the same Slack channel to access both sites' Fluent Support functionality? Uh, yeah, technically you can do that, but in that case, you have to create two bots in the Slack. we have a whole documentation, so you can push the data to the same channel or a different channel, whatever you want, and they can actually, answer those in the threaded, and it will go through different site. So yeah, definitely you can use in a same Slack channel with a different Slack bot. Okay, got another question that would be great. I know it's not mentioned critical, but it'd be nice for then consistency. Yeah, not sure what's that. Yeah, so that all the questions. But if you guys have any other questions, I will answer all of them right here. To uh, anything that you want, you can ask us here. Okay. So I think our next question is actually uh, okay. So I got another question that is, in our company we also need time track from the support agent and need time spent customer. It's from Sylvian. So yeah, Sylvian, we have something in mind for tracking time. So maybe not very soon like this quarter, but maybe definitely first half of 2020 next year we'll definitely do something like that to to give an option to track time of your agent for a specific customer, and we will definitely have a uh, uh, very reversed reporting. Okay. Okay. Hey Patricia, just arrived. What are the best way to give support in several languages, such as settings, ticket config, or field in one language only? Best tip multi said thanks. Hey Patricia. So basically, our front end, the total front end actually it's uh, yeah, it's actually translatable from. So if you have a English side English, and then you have Spanish. So if you use Spanish, then they can actually see the Spanish levels and those things. So that is also thing. But I we did not test in different languages, but me. If you have any issue or you need a specific option for translation, please reach out to me. I will definitely take a look. uh, yeah. Okay, so I think the next question is uh, yeah. Okay, Amit Gupta asked me, can I use Fluent Support in the front end view, please? Yeah, you can do that, but not right now because we did not release that branch yet. Currently, we are using that in our own system, the version we are using in our company. So basically, what we do actually, the release cycle is something like when we actually our developers prepare a release, then we use in our site. Okay, first, then after a week, then we release that version to the public. So I think in the next version, we will give a shortcode that you can actually paste that shortcode, and your agents can uh, also reply from the front end. Yeah. Uh, okay. So another is question is, what's the next big feature being added to Fluent Support? Uh, yeah, maybe actually I have actually looking to the community what they are actually asking the features. So currently what we are doing in this deal time, that we are collecting all the feature requests from different community, from our support our own support channel, even from here, and then we are actually storing those in our Trello board, and then we will prioritize those things, and then we will actually release those features. If you are already a WPManageNinja customer, then you will see that this is the method we use for across all of our products, like say Fluent CRM, Fluent from same thing. That we are kind of a very customer centric company, and we do that. Uh, Okay, I think I got a few other questions. That is, yeah. Uh, Another question is, okay. So yeah, crosswind landing again. Okay. Hey, Tony. Okay. A general question on support and CRM. Will it be released on a roadmap for either both? I know those are plans, not seen the stone. Yeah, we have a public roadmap for Fluent Forms, but we did not release the roadmap for Fluent CRM and not Fluent Support yet. There has a region actually that it's kind of our internal region, so uh, it's kind of the features we have in our mind. We want to complete those fast and then start working with our customers feature request board. So the problem is actually with the with the public roadmap board is actually then lots of customers actually give us the features, and then the basic features that we wanted to see in our portal, or that we thought in the when we release the product, the vision we have for a product, then it got distracted, or that's why we are doing something like that. And for the specific for Fluent CRM, it is a very new market, you see, and we don't want to give a head start for others to do that. So like if I say for like Fluent CRM, if you follow our Facebook group, then actually we tease features before we do that. Like our next a big feature for Fluent CRM is actually card about node, and a deep integration with the say WooCommerce, EDD, membership sites, those type of thing. We are continuously push that thing. So yeah, but Fluent for Fluent support, we will definitely publish a roadmap. I think uh, mid next month, or in the next quarter. I think the next quarter will be better for us, because then we will do that quarter by quarter. Okay. Okay, so I got a question, another question, that is the land dash. Like students can have button to make questions, open a ticket in a specific lesson topic and land dash. Yeah, that will be really interesting. So this is a really very great question or suggestion. I will say suggestion. I'll definitely making a note right now of our team actually making note right now with all of your questions. So we'll evaluate those things. Yeah, I'm sure that this will be a good option with LearnDash. Uh, yeah, exactly. Uh, okay. If I think I have some few more questions actually. Uh, that Okay, I see. We don't have lots of questions. So uh, okay, so it's kind of self promotion time. Uh, if you don't have any question, but if you have question in this meantime, I will definitely answer those things. So this is the the pricing of Fluent Support is like really crazy. It's this type of crazy like when we launched Fluent CRM. So that was like I think in our deal, Fluent Support was like 129. Fluent CRM was 129 dollar per lifetime, and currently we are selling like 129 dollar per year. So lots of people actually requested us to do another CRM entry, but we know we can't do that. We will have only the annual pricing, because as a business we have to also grow. So I think the same thing will happen. I'm not 100% sure, but I think 95% chance that this will be same. This will be the Fluent Support. Our marketing strategy, pricing strategy will be same as Fluent CRM. So currently, you see that the lifetime licenses. So these are all the lifetime licenses, and we will go full. I think after the annual licenses, because this market is really premium. If you compare with the SaaS solutions, I can guarantee, I'm really confident and guarantee you will not get a single WordPress plugin that can do these things what Fluent Support can. Okay, and if you compare with the SaaS solution like Health Scout or Zendesk, then their pricing is like per month per agent, and we don't have those type of restriction. You can manage unlimited amount of tickets, unlimited customers, unlimited your support agent, and it's like the single site is like only $99 per lifetime, and where Health Scout charge you like $30 per agent per month. Okay, so it's like if you're only one person, okay, that manage ticket, so it's like 3 months of Health Scout fee for your support for friend support. So yeah, I will say that definitely it's a very affordable pricing, and yeah. And if you are an agency, I see that if I have to say that which license that people are buying, I will say that the 50 site license are buying more because most of our customers are agency. They are actually buying that for their customers too, so they will give the solution to their customer too, and maybe they will charge a monthly or yearly for the maintenance or something like that. Okay, so yeah. uh, another question is actually, will you consider adding the ability to limit ticket submission per day, per month? Yeah, we have something that in mind to give to give you the option to monetize as your support. So kind of support as a service to give you the option. So I have that in mind actually, that maybe you want to sell the support like you can purchase 10 support slot and say for like say $100. Okay, and you can only submit 10 support ticket or a monthly basis. So yeah, that is also a very good market for us, I think, because most of our customers are agency, and so yeah, we definitely have that. I can't give you a exact time when we will add that feature, but definitely this is something that I want to do maybe next quarter or first half of 2022. Yeah. So next thing is actually, okay. So since WP Academy, so lifetime team will not come anymore like Fluent CRM. Yeah, kinda like that. I am 95% sure that we will only keep the annual license for Fluent Support too. But even if the 5% chance if we do that, then the price definitely will be like 4 times of the annual pricing. So kind of like 4 times of the current pricing or like that, or maybe we'll never sell the 50 site license. Maybe, yeah. So most likely we'll not do any LTD for Fluent Support. Okay. So okay, so another question is from Amit, that is possible to notifying the customers by SMS or WhatsApp or any ticket status update closing on the ticket page. So currently our notification channels are for the customer for the agents, because agents need to be aware of the or tickets. But this is something that we will definitely do for the SMS. WhatsApp, I am not sure, because WhatsApp is really terrible API that we tried to integrate but could not do that. They have a very limited API set. But if they actually change, I see that they are changing many things. They are adding new API endpoints. But if they do, we'll definitely do that. SMS is something I think that can be done via Twilio. They have a great API. So yeah, we'll definitely check that out with the Twilio. Uh, okay, so I think the next question is, what about email piping? Any plan to add on to get more or something like that? So, our current email piping has something like your license amount into 10. So if you have 50 site license, then you will get like 500, forwarding email. I think 500 forwarding email is really, really very big number that you can actually connect 500 email, your business emails. But if you ever actually, cross that limit too, we will definitely give you an add-on service to purchase additional licenses. Okay. Okay, so George asked a really great question. That is, understanding that you cannot host live chat locally. Is there any plans to for a FS live chat plug in the future? A customer portal knowledge base. Is there a roadmap for the next year? Maybe. So this is a great question. We also use live chat, and it's really a pain that we can't use self-hosted chat thing because it's a limitation with not only uh, in WordPress but also PHP, because for the live chat it's require a live server, live database. So we can't do that in WordPress in this as a self-hosted. But we are looking for some option to add that, maybe as an add-on SaaS solution, that if we can't, we don't want to do that, maybe we will add integration with other chat solutions. So currently, we are using like I think Crisp. That is a great service. Also, the pricing is great. So if we don't do with our own, then we'll definitely add with other popular chat solutions that you can actually, integrate with Fluent Support. Do that. Yeah, another in the same question, actually, customer portal or knowledge base. So we did not actually build a knowledge base plugin, but there has many great knowledge base plugins that in the market has. So like say Beta Docs, WeDocs, and other many other docs. Some people actually build docs with the SEA, custom fields, custom post type, those type of things. So what we did actually, that we support all of those. So if your support page actually built with a custom post type, I think 99% of the plugins are built with the custom post type. Then you can actually connect those knowledge based plugins with Fluent Support. I think it will work with anything. If you find using a knowledge based plugin and does not work, please feel free to let us know, and we will definitely give that support. Okay, so Bart Dev Brady asked a question. Would it be possible to mark a contact as premium SLA, the level, so the ticket get extra attention? Yeah, we thought about that actually. So we have, if you have, few actually option. That one, you can actually add a note of that customer, that okay, this is a premium customer. Two, if you use Friend CRM, then actually you can add a tag with that connected contact. So and you can do that, you can manage the tag right from your ticket dashboard, ticket dashboard. So Fluent CRM and Fluent Support is like they are uh, they are really connected. Okay, so we try to make it like it's a single app. It's a part of Fluent CRM, but you can actually use without Fluent CRM. Okay. Uh, okay. So yeah, I got another question actually, that is NRCM web design. Live chat facility in Social Ninja would be amazing too. We understand the limitation too. Yeah. So what we are trying to do with the Fluent Support, I think Social Ninja team actually, that by the way, our here each product has a different team. So Social Ninja team is different. So what we are trying to do with them actually, our Social Ninja team, that we have a chat pop up, it's not a real chat, it's a chat widget actually that you connect with the other services, where we can actually give them a contact form. So if they actually submit the contact form, then it will be created as a support ticket. And I already talked with the team, Social Ninja team, and I think they will add that in our next version. Okay, so another question from Sensi Web Academy. Possibility to integrate WP Social Ninja plus Fluent Support, so customers can have an option to open a ticket just there will login. Yeah, that is the that's what I just told. That is the goal. I think for I already request to the Social Ninja team. I think they will add that very soon. Okay. So what questions we have. Any if we have any question, please ask. Otherwise, you can go to fluentsupport.com and see. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay. So you go to our site and see all the features it offer. So basically, we are using this product for last, I think, 10 months. And also we had some beta testers who also, using that in their production agency. And uh, so all the features you were seeing actually it's actually we are building for last 1 year plus, and it's like it's we are the problem we are solving that's actually real. Every feature we have added to save time for our agents. Like if we could save 1 second of for a ticket for an agent, I think that's in cumulative. It's like few hours in a week or a month. So yeah, definitely the features we have uh, it's great. Okay, I think I have another question that is yeah is from yeah so another question is uh, Fluent Connect, will you look into adding user sync and single sign-on across subdomains? I think that's something something out of the scope right now here, but definitely I have the reason to build the Fluent Connect actually to connect our plugins with more services where we say we don't have lots of customers in that specific connection, but we still want to help the businesses, help the people. So that's why we actually added the Fluent Connect. So people who want to use those things, they actually install the Fluent Connect and use the so definitely, I'll give a thought about the subdomains, standalone user sync feature. Hey Martin, hey Joel, Social Ninja question here. Is it possible to add a way to display Amazon and other platforms overloading like the natively in Amazon? Yeah, I am actually answering the questions only for plain support, but for Social Ninja, I see that the developers are working. They just uh, released the two new templates. I think that is really great. But definitely you can ask the question in the group, Social Ninja group, and I think the developers will definitely get back to you. Uh, okay, so Social Ninja for another question. When the Facebook is coming, as far I know, the team is working really hard for Facebook. It's not like something easy API from Facebook actually, but they told me that they are trying to release by next month. So within December, within this quarter, you can. I'm sure you will have it. Okay, so just Jisan Ali, how can we make a form to save the form automatically? I mean, there is one input, any value, then automatically save to database without submit uh, button. So yeah, currently I think this question is about Fluent Forms. So in the Fluent Forms, we have I think we have multi-step forms. There you can actually save state by page, but not a single input. I would really appreciate if you guys, ask questions regarding Fluent Support or related thing. Hi, Robin. Yeah, I got your question about the file upload type in custom field. File upload is something is that we need to give more thought, because the problem with file upload is actually the file upload need to be very very secure, and it cannot be directly accessible for it. That's why actually uh, it can be actually any file for file upload or a very confidential file for support. uh, that's why it's kind of we have like we are encrypting the file and then storing it and showing it via logged in URL check or something like that. But we may need some workaround for the if we give that option as a I think for custom field. Uh, uh, Definitely we will take a look and see, but it's not something that we are going to do in in few weeks. Okay. Are you guys going to rebrand Ninja Tables to Fluent Tables? I don't think, because Ninja Table is the very popular plugin. It will not be wise to change the brand. That was our very fast product, and I think Ninja Table is the most popular plugin, or table plugin at this moment. And I think I can give you a hint. Like we have a very big update. Update is coming in Ninja Tables. I think in the in January. Anyway, guys, so I think you guys don't have any questions. So what you are waiting for? You can just yeah, go to the friendsupport.com/discount deal, and then purchase the license. If you purchase single site license, if you want to upgrade that, you can do that by going to WPManageNinja.com in your account dashboard, and you can upgrade that from there, just paying the difference. And you can only upgrade within within this within this deal time. After that, really sorry that you cannot upgrade that. So yeah, I think I have another question. Yeah, Robin, I got your question actually. Your file upload. I know you need that, but if you know if you want, we can actually add that tomorrow. But that is something we don't want to do that. But because file upload, that must need to be very secure. Okay. Uh, okay. So I got another question actually. How can the support ticket thread conversion thread is be styled? Can you style the using CSS, Hero, or Yellow Pencil? Yeah, definitely. We have a very symmetric, DOM structure. Maybe we will, we'll release a, styling guide. So you can definitely, style the default option using any CSS tool or writing custom CSS. Yeah. Hey, Amit. Yeah. So, Amit, you asked a question that can you actually import tickets from Awesome Support to Fluent Support, please? Yeah, actually, we have a tool. We built an add-on actually to migrate all our support tickets to Fluent Support. But yeah, maybe we'll release that. So for the single time, for the first time, you can just install that on, then transfer the tickets and delete the plugin. Yeah, that is something we will definitely release very soon, maybe next month, something like that. Yeah. Okay. So I think you guys have uh, had all the question answered. I don't see any new question. Again, uh, if you still do not get it, I think definitely you should definitely take a look of what actually Fluent Support offer. We have actually many features that I did not actually cover, but if you want to get an idea what Fluent Support can do, you can just go to like our documentation and see all the related documentation that uh, that it has. We could not actually you know keep all the features here. It's like if you see other features at a glance, you can actually see that, but you cannot describe everything in the sales page. I'm not sure which from country you're from, but if you're from Europe or USA, most probably I will definitely attend in the next WordCamp Asia, WordCamp Europe, or WordCamp US. Definitely, you can buy me a coffee. uh, Okay, so I got another question as are you considering SMS starting for FS? We did not think about the SMS yet. So we just launched the plugin. So yeah, if people ask this feature, many people ask for this feature, I will definitely uh, we'll try to add that. Oh yeah, NRCM web design, yeah, from the UK. Okay, yeah, definitely. If I, go to UK or if you attend any Art Camp Europe, definitely we'll meet. Uh, okay, so I think that was everything that we have. So if you guys have any, question about purchasing, pricing, or anything, I am happy to answer those. Or I can we can close this live stream right now. Okay. Okay, guys. I think that's it. I will actually answer some questions from our, Facebook community. That I think the questions you guys actually asked, the same question I got from, Facebook. Uh, yeah, but I think we are good. But still, if you guys have any questions, you can always, join any of our Facebook group. We have several Facebook group for Fluent Form, Fluent CRM, and also Fluent Support. You can always join there and ask question, and definitely the community or myself, I will answer those questions. Okay. Mm, I think yeah, that's it. Do you have any more questions? Yeah, someone actually I think typing a question. Oh, got it. Any plan to integrate Fluent Support plus Elementor in order to have some widget to create a custom profile with Fluent Support data, not just the widget to put in the dashboard? Um, Fluent Support does not actually, store all the data. Basically, it sync with your user data. So like first name, last name, email address, those type of things. But I think definitely Elementor has add-on or something to build profile for the current user, those type of things. I'm not sure that will be really helpful for most of our customers. So yeah, I'm not sure. But if you uh, need any help, say build a custom shortcode for building the profile, definitely our developers or support agents can help you. Okay, so another question. Uh, Hey Rick, thank you, thank you so much. Yeah. Another question is, if you do the features to sell support products with ticket limits, will you consider making this available for WooCommerce subscription so this is can be sold on recurring basis? Uh, yeah, I'm not sure about this is something this is something we want to do. I want to do actually that there has a market that the people like you for like you are running an agency that you want to build your business on your support. Okay, you want to sell your support as a service, and I want to we want to cover that. Nobody is covering right now. So yeah, we'll do something like that. I'm not sure that if we will use WooCommerce as the subscription, because WooCommerce subscription that is really costly for many of customers that I talk, uh, and but we have subscription in Fluent Forms, so maybe we will build something with Fluent Form subscription or Fluent Form payment to add to add credits, support credits there. But yeah, we'll check, but we'll definitely give an up API hook so that anyone can actually build that or add or remove credits from that support credit. Okay. So yeah, I see lots of familiar faces. Uh, okay. Uh, yeah, definitely. That's why we want to enter the market. I think nobody actually doing that right now. So yeah, definitely we want to do that. We also help, our in WPManageNinja, our goal is to help the small businesses agencies. So all of our products you see, those are actually for small businesses and agencies. uh, and if you can gauge our next product. I don't know when will be our next product, but not this year or near next year. But if we build another product, and that will be for definitely for the small businesses that actually align with our existing ecosystem or products. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that was our, I think, today's live. I think it's late for you guys. So yeah, see you guys soon in the group. I'll be there. If you have any questions, feel free to comment here. I will also get back. Also, you can always submit support ticket in our website. Our support agents are uh, super fast, super productive, and they will get back to you as soon as possible. If you need me, I will be also, I'll reply in that ticket too. So yeah, that's it. I am actually going to close, finish this live, and uh, so yeah, see you see you soon in the Facebook group. And again, if you did not purchase the lifetime deal, uh, you should definitely take a look and give a second thought. Uh, if not, maybe we'll see you in few months. Uh, and also, we have a very free version. You can go to wordpress.org and definitely uh, definitely search for Fluent Support. We The free version is actually we have a great features there too. So yeah. Uh, okay, guys. See you soon. Have a great day, and thank you so much for attending this live stream and asking me questions. Have a great day.